Maths paper first, algebra, chapter first of semester first, sets, relations and functions. Some standard sets. Number one, set of natural numbers. This set is denoted by notation capital N and is the set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. This is the set of natural numbers. Then number two, set of whole numbers. This set is denoted by notation W and this set contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. That is one more element 0, and this set is set of whole numbers. The numbers lies between 1 and 2, for example 1.5, 1.6. These are not natural numbers. These are not the elements of set of whole numbers, that is W. Number 3, the set of integers, and this set is denoted by notation capital I or capital Z, and this set contains elements from minus infinity to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. This is the set of integers. Then fourth one is set of real numbers. This set is denoted by notation capital R and is the open set minus infinity to infinity. So this set contains all numbers lies between minus infinity and infinity. That is 1.5, the fractional numbers, 2 by 3, 0, 1, 2, minus 2. All these are the real numbers, are the members of this capital R. That is all natural numbers are real number, all whole numbers are real number, all integers are real number, but this 1.5 is the real number, purely real number. This is not integer or this is not natural number. Then the open set means, for example, open set AB. This set contains elements x such that x is less than, strictly less than a and strictly less than, better than b, a. That is, this set contains the elements lies between, all numbers lies between a and b. For example, open set 1, 5. So this set contains elements lies between, all numbers lies between 1 and 5. That is, for example, 1.6, 1.7, these are the members of this set. But 6.1 does not belongs to this set. For suppose this set is A. That is, this notation belongs to means present in. This notation belongs to means if the elements present in the set, then we say it belongs to A, belongs to that set. And if the elements does not belongs to the set, then we denoted this is by using this notation. That is, this is does not belongs to. This is the notation, does not belongs to. And belongs to means is the element present in that set. So this set contains all elements lies between 1 and 5. So how many elements lies between 1 and 5? There are infinitely many numbers lies between 1 and 5. Only 2, 3 and 4, these are the natural numbers lies between 1 and 5. This is not correct answer that 3 numbers lies between 1 and 5. 3 natural numbers lies between 1 and 5. So how many total numbers lies between 1 and 5? That are infinitely many. For example, 1.1, 1.11, 1.01. These are all these are the members of this set. 1.001, 1.00001, 1.00001. These are the members of this set. So how many we can write this not? We can write infinitely not before this one, and therefore between every two numbers there are infinitely numbers lies between the two numbers. Next set is set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. And this set is denoted by the notation capital Q. And this set is the set of elements of the form P by Q such that this P and Q belongs to Z. That is, this P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So this is the set of rational numbers, that is the numbers of the form P by Q are reducible to the form P by Q are called rational numbers. For example, 2 by 3, this is rational number. Minus 3 by 4, this is rational number. 1.5, this is rational number. This is not in the form P by Q, but it is reducible to the form P by Q. 15 by 10, we can write 1.5 as 15 by 10, or we can write 15 as 3 by 1.5 as 3 by 2, and this is the lowest form 3 by 2. So when we say this P by Q is in lowest form, that is P by Q is in its lowest form if the greatest common divisor of P and Q is 1. So what is the greatest common divisor of 15 and 10? The greatest common divisor of 15 and 10 is 5. 5 divides to both these numbers, and 5 is the large number divides to these two numbers. While the greatest common divisor of 3 and 2 is 1, and also the 3 by 2 is in lowest form. So the next set of rational numbers, irrational numbers. And this set is denoted by Q dash and is the set of not rational numbers. That is when we say the number is irrational if it is not rational, means it is not of the form P by Q, or it is not reducible to the form P by Q. So what are that numbers? Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, root 13. These are the examples of irrational numbers. So what is the value of root 2? We cannot write root 2 in the form of point, fractional numbers. Root 2 is 1.41, but this is approximate value. This is not exact value of root 2. So what is the exact value of root 2 in this form? So we cannot write root 2 in the form of this point, because you can write root 2 as 1.41, then we can write this 1.41 as 141 divided by 100, and then it becomes a rational number. But this is not rational number. This value is not correct value of root 2, and we cannot write the correct value of root 2 in point form. Similarly, root 3, root 5, these 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are prime numbers, and What is the prime numbers? The numbers divisible by itself and 1 are called prime numbers. So root 9 is not a rational number because root 9 is plus 3 minus 3. Root 8 is not prime number, is not irrational number. Next set of complex numbers, and the set of complex numbers is denoted by notation capital C and is the set of elements of the form a plus bi. What is a and b? These are real numbers. So what is this I? I is root of minus 1. So this is the set of complex numbers. For example, 3 plus 2i, 3 minus 2i, minus 3 minus 2i, 3 plus 2.5i. This is also a complex numbers. Then definition of subset. Let A and B are two sets, any two sets. Then the subset notation for subset is this, that A is subset of B. When A is subset of B, if every element of A belongs to B, that is present in B, so then A is called subset of B. And so for example, set of natural numbers is subset of set of whole numbers, but converse is not true, that the set of whole number is not subset of set of natural numbers. Set of whole numbers is subset of integers, then set of integers is subset of rational numbers, Q. Set of rational number is subset of set of real numbers, and set of real number is subset of set of complex numbers. That is, every natural number is integer, every integer is rational, every rational is real, every real is complex number. Then definition of power set of sets. So let A be any non-empty set that is contains at least one element. Then power set of A is denoted by notation PA, and this is what? And is set of all subsets of A, set of all subsets of A. For example, let A be the set contains element 1, 2, 3. Then what is power set of A? The first one is empty set. What is the notation? Phi. What is phi? Phi means empty set, that is contains no element, and this phi is subset of every set. So phi is the member of this PA. Then singleton 1, that is the element contains only one element. Singleton 2, singleton 3, all these are the subsets of A. Then 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, then itself A, that is 1, 2, 3. So this is the set of all distinct subsets of A and is denoted by notation PA, or power set of A. Then equality of two sets. The two sets A and B are equal if and only if A is subset of B and B is subset of A. So if you take the set 1 2 and 2 1, these two sets are set, because if we denote this set by A and this set by B, then what do we have? Why these two are equal? As A is subset of B and B is subset of A, every member of A belongs to B and every elements of B also present in A. So these two sets are same. And so in the list of power set of A, if you write set 1 2, then 2 1 and 1 2 both are same, so don't write this set 2 1 in this set of list of power set of A. Then Cartesian product of two sets. Let A and B be two empty sets, non-empty sets. Then Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by this notation, A cross B, and this is the set of order pairs AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So order pair AB and BA, these two are different. Note this. For example, A is the set 1 2 3 and B is the set AB. Then what is the Cartesian product of these two sets? That is A cross B is the set of elements 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. This is the set. That is contains 6 elements. A contains 3 elements, B contains 2 elements, A cross B contains 6 elements. These are the order pairs. What is B cross A? Order pair A1, A2, A3, B1, B2 and B3. So 1A and A1, these two are not same. So A cross B is not subset of B cross A, or B cross A is also not subset of A cross B, and so A cross B and B cross A, these two are not equal. That is, the Cartesian product of two sets is not commutative. When we say operation is commutative, for example, addition operation is commutative because 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 both are set. The multiplication operation is also commutative, that is 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 both are 6, that is 2 are equal. But subtraction is not commutative because 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 2 are not equal. Similarly, 2 by 3 and 3 by